Hello, good morning to everyone. In previous class, we already finished up to question number 1 and 2. We have already finished. Now, first we are doing question number 4, 5, and then after it, third question. Okay. Now, in question number 3, we have given using of Euclid division lemma. Using of Euclid division lemma to show that the square of now is given square of any positive integer. So we will show that any positive integer, if you take any positive integer, suppose positive integer, everyone know these are positive integer, all are. So show that every positive integer is either form of 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is an integer, and it's so what is given in question? The square of any number. So suppose we are taking first number, suppose 2. So its square, 2 square, is always form of 3m or 3m plus 1, any one of them. Yes, what is m is integer. So 2 into 2, how much come? 4. So can we put in place of m, what is m is a integer. In place of m, if we put 1, 3 into 1, m is 1, 3 into 1 plus 1, 3 into 1, 3 plus 4. So it means 2, the square of the 2 is form of 3m plus 1.
वो चल रहा है क्या?
हाँ सर.
तो बोलिए 11:30 में फिजिक्स लैब में है ना.
So it's mean तो 2 the square, देखो look at square of any positive integer. So 2 is a number and its square is form of 3m plus 1. Any number you can take, what you want to choose. Suppose now we are taking 1 square is come how much? 1. So put in place of m is a integer. In place of m, if we put 0, 3 into 0, 0. So it is come. It is also 3m plus 1. So like this one, but like this one, we cannot show that all numbers because integers are infinite. So now we will discuss a general case. What is general case? Suppose let this integer, this positive integer is a. Okay? So right, let a be any positive integer, so that the square of any. So suppose a be an positive integer is form of 3m. In last question we already saw that it is form of 2 cube. Then we are taking b is 2. Now b is 3. Okay. And we know if first number a and second number b is 3, can we, if we have two number, can we use Euclid division lemma? Because Euclid division lemma is applied on two numbers. So you can write by same step in all question by Euclid division lemma. What is a equal to b is 3, so 3 into q plus r. Can we write or not? If it is here given m, so can take m also. Okay, m is also. So we are taking suppose m, 3m into 3m plus r, and already given in question m is an integer. Okay, so now and write the condition of r. R remainder is always greater than or equal to 0 but less than divisor. What is divisor? 3 less than divisor. Understand? So now we observe that R values less than 3 but greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then what is the possibility of R? R may be 0, 1, 2. 3 possibilities or not? To write R equal to, so therefore R equal to 0, 1 or 2. It is possible or not? Maybe R0, 1 or 2. So you can write, otherwise you can write direct also. So here is the, so therefore R equal to 0, 1 and 2. Okay. So first case, if R equal to 0, if R equal to 0 dear, so we can write A equal to 3m. Understand? But we observed in this question, look at now board. We want to show that now direct you cannot say that sir A equal to 3m already come. No, in question is given square of the number is form of a 3, but it is a not square of it is only a number. Understand or not? So we will take now taking a square both sides. Understand? So you can write A. So it means if R equal to 0, 1 and 2. So if A equal to 3m, if R is 0, so A is 3m. Next case, or if R is 1, so how much? A is become A equal to 3m plus 1. We are discussing all the cases together, okay? Because when we are discuss all the cases separately, it is become longer or not. So we are try to making question are short, okay? Because R is 1, so it is become 3m. If R is 1, so 3m plus 1, or next case dear, or 3m plus. These are three cases. Understand or not? Only we put the values of R, okay? Now, but in the question is given the square of positive integer is form of, but it is A is only a number, it is not square, okay? So we will taking right square both side. So you can write, so A square equal to, so 3m square or 3m plus 1 square or 3m plus 2 square. Understand it? Because in question it is given the square of the number, because A is only number, but we want to show that square of this number is form of 3m plus 1 or 3m or 3m plus 1. So A square equal to, we want to show that 3m. So it means A square, but here is 3m square. But we want to show that in 3m. So how will we show that? Look at. So now, so first case, look at. So A square equal to how much become? 3 square? 9. And m square, it is m square. Okay? I am discussing only first case first here. A square equal to 3m square. But we want to show that square of the number in form of 3m. So now we will write it in multiplication of 3. Can you write 9? 3 into 3m square. Can we write or not? Because 3 into 3, 9 again. But everyone know, look at here. 3m square, 3 into, it is 3 into m square, and m is a integer. So 3 into some integer again come again one more new integer or not. Maybe suppose 3 into 5, so again we got it 15. 15 is also a integer or not. So therefore dear, we can write A square equal to 3 into k. What is k? K mean k equal to 3m square. Why? Because 3 multiplied by m mean integer. 3 multiplied by some integer, again some integer will come or not. So k is suppose is any integer. Understand or not? Anis, understand? So it is better if you are confused. In direct, in starting you can write here q, okay? And in last 3 into q square. So 3 into q square you can write, it is equal to m. M is any integer because it is also some integer. It is also n because its value also we don't know what is its exact value. But and m is also an integer. It is also a variable. Okay, so you can write 3 into k, and you will write a 1. So k is any integer. K is any integer. Understand? Next case, a square. Second case, a square equal to 3m plus 1 whole square. So it is formula of a plus b square. A plus a, there is a space problem, that's why I am writing here first formula. Note down a plus b square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So look at first number square. First number 3m. 3m square 9m square plus b square 1 square 1 plus 2 into a 2 into 3 6 into m 6m into 1 so 6m. Understand it? So note down this formula you can write now. But you observe that here a square is come here is 9m square plus 6m plus 1. But we want to show that square of the any number is form of 3m or 3m plus 1. But it is not in form of 3m of or 3m plus 1. Okay. Because look at the go. K and m only are integer. In place of k you can write a m also. Because in starting what we did mistake, we start from here m. Okay. If we start from here k, so it is 3 into k square. In 3 into k square we can write 3 into m. So it's okay. Okay. So it means k we already write. K is any integer. So a square is form of 3m. Okay. Now, but we want to prove that a square of any number either 3m or 3m plus 1. Now, how will we convert? Look at a square. It means look at, देखो 1 is already here plus 1. What is common here? Because we need 3 into m or not. So we will take always in every part 3 is common. What we will take? 3 is common because we need a 3. So take common 3. It is come m square. It is 2m. Understand it? And now again look at 3 into m square plus 2m is also again a. Again it is a integer. Because m is a integer, so m square plus 2m is also become a new integer or not? Suppose its name is k2. Here k1 you can write k1, k2. Okay? Because everywhere we cannot write k. K means all are same, but they are different or not? So m square plus 2m is also again a new integer or not? And its name we give name suppose it is a k2. And now plus 1. So again square of this number is also 3k2 plus देखो 3m plus 1. So it means 3k2. Either you can write k2 or you can write m. Both are same. And you will write k2 is a integer. Understand it? Now only one case is remaining. Which one? 3m plus 2. So a square equal to 3m plus 2. So same as it is a square equal to 3m plus 2. So it is become a plus b square. So we will open it again. Same as it is, it will come a square equal to 3k3 plus 1, and we will write where k3 is an integer. So we observe that देखो first number is also in form of a square, also in form of 3m 3k, a square also in form of 3k2 plus 1. In third case also it is become 3k3 plus 1 in every case. So it means we can say that the square of any positive integer in form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay. So if you are confusing with m, so you can write in place of m is q. It is q. In starting q. Okay. it is q, it is q, it is q. Okay, all are q. So it is q, it is also q. And now 3 into k square. Now you can put m also, because 3k square is an integer and it is also an m. Okay, otherwise you can write k also, k. Okay, you can replace if you want to replace, otherwise you can write m also. Okay, it is only variable. Okay, in place of x, y you can write a, b, all are equal. Okay, so it is your answer. So third case, everyone do yourself. A equal to 3q plus 2 whole. Again it will open by a plus b square. Okay, understand it? So now we will do fifth question. Note down it, everyone. Now question number 5. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of, now we have to show that cube of any positive integer is form of, in this form. So what we will do again, same as it is, same process we will follow. Let a be any positive integer, any positive integer, or you can write let a be any integer. In the question is given let a be any integer, so that the cube of any positive. So you will take let a be any positive, you can take positive integer, and b is how much? B is 9 or 3? B equal to 3. Why we are taking here 3? Now you ask, sir, why we are not taking 9? If we take 9, then also we can solve the question. But first look at in last I will tell you why we are taking here 3. Now only remember b equal to 3, because here is given a cube, and when we take the cube of 3, what is become? 27, or 27 can we write in multiplication of 9? Yes, that's why we are taking. Okay, so look at, so b equal to 3. So again use Euclid division lemma on a and 3. So a equal to 3 into q plus how much? It is r, and write the values of r. R is always greater than or equal to 0 or less than divisor. Divisor is 3. Understand it? So write r equal to, what is the possible value of r? 0, 1, 2, because r is less than 3. So 0, 1, 2. So we will put value. So a equal to, r is 0. So what is become? 3q, or 3q plus 1, or 3q plus 2. Understand? And you can write here also, otherwise you can write m also if you want to write, it's okay, any one you can write. Okay, and but here if you write q, to write what is q? To write q is any integer. Q is also integer. So there are the 3 possibilities. Okay, but we want to show that what is cube of any positive. So it means, but it is here not cube, it is only a number or not? A is any number. So right, we will take cubing both sides. So right, cube both sides. What is a cube equal to 3q whole cube? Okay, or 3q plus 1 whole cube, or 3q plus 2 whole cube. Do you understand why we are taking cube? Because we want to show that cube of any positive integer. That's why a cube. Because a is a number, but its cube should be in form of 9m plus 1. Okay. So first case, what is a cube equal to 3 cube? So a cube equal to, so you can write case first. A cube equal to 3 whole cube. What you can write? 3 cube, how much? 27 cube. But look at again. It is a cube in form of 27 into q cube. But we want to show that in either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So we will write 27 in multiply of 9. So it means 27 can you write 9 into 3 into q. Yes. Again look at 3 into q cube. And q is any integer and 3 is also an integer. 3 integer into integer, again we will get a new integer or not? So it means you can write it 9 into k1. So k1 means 3 into q. q1 is also k1 is also an integer. So you will write in the question k1 in last. K1 is an integer. Okay, an integer. Okay, and don't worry, you can write in place of K1 m also you can write. Okay, 9 into m, and m is an integer. Next a cube equal to 3q plus 1. So write case 2 only. Case number 1 and 2 I will explain. Third one you do yourself. A cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. But we want to show that 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 or 9m. So it's formula of a plus b whole cube. So I am writing here formula. No, you can note down it. A plus b whole cube. In 9th class, second chapter 2.5, we already learned. A cube, first number cube plus second number cube plus 3 into first number into second number a into b bracket a plus b. Okay. So now a cube equal to first number cube a. How much a? 3 q into whole cube plus b cube. B is 1 cube 1 plus 3 into first number a is how much? 3q into 1 and bracket a plus b, 3q plus 1. Now again we will open it. A cube equal to 3 cube 27 cube plus 1. Now 3 into 3 9 cube. 9 cube into 3 cube plus 1. Understand it? So formula you can note down. Now again. So a cube, but look at now. But a cube, we want to show that cube of number in form of 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. But it is not in this form. So we will open it. First look at 27 q cube plus 1. 9q into 3q, 27 q square plus 9q. Understand it? Look at a cube. Dekho, we need 1 also and 8 also. So it means 1 is already. So can we write in last? Yes. So 27 q cube, 27 q square plus 9q plus 1. So a cube. Now look at here. We don't need 27. We need in form of 9. So 27, 9. Can we take 9 common? Yes. So from these first 3. So 9 is common. What is remain? 3q plus 3q square plus q and plus 1. Look at again. Q is what? Q is a integer. So 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So again it is an integer. So a cube equal to 9 into k2 or plus 1. Now look at 9 k2 plus 1. Again, the cube of any number, what is come? 9 k2 plus 1. And it, so you can write K2 is an integer. K2 is an integer. So therefore same as it is. Can you show that third part also? A cube equal to 3q plus 2. It is again formula a plus b whole cube. Okay. So try to yourself in third part. You will try it same as it is. Here we are taking 1. In last we are taking 8. So every number in the form of in these numbers. Understand? It is very simple. If any number is given, so 9 and now you understand why we did not take 9 in place of b, because if we take 9, it's become a r value. How much become? R is always less than 3, so less than 9. So there is a 8 case will become. It is very longer, and we observe that if we are taking 3 because it is a cube. That's why if it is cube. So when we are taking the cube of 3, it is become 27, and 27 we can write in multiplication of a 9. That's why we don't need to take b equal to 9. Same as it is third case you can discuss. It is case 2, case 3. A cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube, and open it again same as it is like a second part. Okay. So note down it. Okay. So thank you everyone. Only one question is left. Already video is become longer. So in next video we will try to teach. And listen, question number 2. Question number 3 is try to this question yourself. It is you have to find only HCF in question number 3 by using of Euclidean lemma. Try to. Otherwise I will explain it in next videos. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.